too. Congrats, you made it. I'm not going to take very long, don't worry. The animatronics tend to get a bit more active as the nights progress. But hey, I'm here to talk about the other two on stage, Hank and Flower. So these animatronics are kinda special in a way. They're like a hide and seek thing. They're programmed to hide from the kids, and the kids have to find them. They're not allowed to do that during the day now, though, after the incident with the owner. Now they're kept on stage, but at night they're allowed to play freely. Now, they have very specific locations where they hide. If you notice that one of them isn't on the stage, then a warning sign will pop up on the camera where they are. Just change to that camera, watch them for like a second or two, and they'll notice the camera's found them, and they'll go back to the stage. Now, if you don't do that, they will crawl through the vent system, and they will go into your office. If you hear them crawling around in there, just look at the vent with your flashlight, and they'll go away. Just make sure they actually do go back to the stage. Sometimes they'll still hang around in the vents, and you have to flash them again. I will recommend you to not let both of them get to the vent. If they're both in the vent, then, well, that's game over, pal. Oh, and something I noticed. If you look at them, they'll take a little bit longer to move. So, yeah, that's all. Good luck.